I cannot be happier. Yes, I can already hear the voices. Some people will be saying, oh Mina, you went for another grandma bag. Well, I'm proud of it because hello everyone, hello friends. So we are here today to do a little unboxing, a Salvatore Ferragamo unboxing, and guys, it's been a long hot day. If you haven't seen my Salvatore Ferragamo vlog yet, please go and check it out and then come back here. So I have been eyeing Salvatore Ferragamo bags for a while because guys, these are my Salvatore Ferragamo earrings. I think that's how I was made aware of them a little bit more. And then of course I found my Salvatore Ferragamo sunglasses. All Salvatore. I love it. And you know, I was looking into their bags as well. And I was blown away. What can I tell you? I think it is the best alternative to the Hermes Kelly out there on the market. I can't wait to show you what I picked, what color I picked, and I feel like there will be more Salvatore Ferragamo bags in the future for me. I'm hyped. Like I said, it's been a long day, I'm tired. I just touched my makeup up. But nonetheless, I thought let's do this now because I also want to see the bag, right? I don't want this to sit in its box and in its dust bag for a couple of days. So I was like, let me just get everything done now and let's film this and we're good. So I honestly believe, guys, I mean, we've been talking about this for a long time, like luxury is not luxury anymore, right? Like if we go to Chanel and we queue up for 1 hour, 1.5 hours to actually get into the boutique, and then there are millions of people in there and they basically just treat you like you are shopping at Zara. What do you want? Do you want to buy it? In, out, payment, and you're gone. And that's not luxury anymore. And also the quality obviously is not luxury anymore. This side. First, this is the big bag, and ooh, here we are. Okay, wait, it's too heavy, guys. Let me get rid of this first. And oh, it is so hot. Here we are. Salvatore Ferragamo. You guys know I'm the biggest Bvlgari fan, and whenever you go to Bvlgari, they treat you like a queen, like a king. You know, you go in there, you get the best treatment. They take their time. They offer you drinks and snacks. I mean, how many times have I gotten macarons from Dina? And it's just lovely. It's just wonderful. You will have seen it in the vlog. My husband and I went into Salvatore Ferragamo. No one was in there. I think not enough people talk about them. That's what we do today. But no one was in there, no one was queuing up. The entire time we've been in there twice, no one came in. And we had 2 SAs taking care of us, and the manager even came downstairs as well. And I had a really nice chat with her. They had a beautiful like pink crocodile bag, and I was blown away when I saw that. And I had a talk with her about that special piece, and I was like saying it's a really good price. It was like 10k. I think this might be my future as well, like a crocodile Salvatore Ferragamo bag. It's timeless, it's, you know, but we see what I got. So all of them, like I said, took care of us. They offered us drinks. I had a really nice chat with her. She invited me to a Salvatore Ferragamo event in September, so thank you so much in case you're watching, and I can't wait to come and document that day and, you know, share it with you guys. So here we are now. I had to go for a classic Salvatore Ferragamo bag. Okay, so the bag is lying on like little cushions. It's so well packaged. We have the Salvatore Ferragamo Dustbag, and I can tell you guys, it feels like this is the same quality that Bvlgari uses. And I mean, Bvlgari bags and the dust bags and the packaging and everything is just the highest quality. There, you can see it, lots of little, you know, they're always good to actually keep them and stuff your bags with them. Okay, so here we are. Should we do this? Yes, I got the classic, and there's some paper in here as well. This was, I think, squished in here so that the handle stays beautiful. So I got the classic Salvatore Ferragamo Gancini bag. That is their classic bag, and They had a display bag and she brought this one out for me, and like I said, nobody has ever touched it. You can see all the stickers are still on there, and what a beautiful bag. Guys, I don't know if I find this footage. If I do, I put it up. When we went to Japan before the pandemic, I saw at Amore, one of the best like Japanese resellers, if you ask me, I saw these bags, the vintage version of them, and I would have to look it up when they were initially brought out, but I can tell you this bag is like 30-40 years old. So I think it cannot be more timeless. You can find it on the pre-loved market, you can find it new, guys. And also, let me remind you, you can use my Farfetch code 10ROMINA to get 10% off on Farfetch. You just need to register with a new email. And this bag and well, all the other bags and all the other color combinations and sizes, they have them on Farfetch, guys. So you can get 10% off if you use my code. I got it from the boutique. I like to look at bags, but you know, if you don't have a Salvatore Ferragamo boutique close to you, you can get it from Farfetch. So I cannot be happier. Yes, I can already hear the voices. Some people will be saying, "Oh, Mina, you went for another grandma bag." Well, I'm proud of it because I know I will enjoy this bag nowadays, and I will enjoy it as well when I'm 90. And, you know, I will be rocking it my entire life. So that's always a big plus for me. So the bag comes with little hooks here. It has a shoulder strap as well. And look at the details. So Salvatore Ferragamo obviously is known for... Let me put my sunglasses on, guys. So you can see, right, this symbol, this logo, and that's obviously the clasp here as well, and the sides too, and that's where you attach your shoulder strap. All in Salvatore Ferragamo. I feel so fancy today. So I would say let's open this. Like I said, there is the stickers are still on. It might take me a while to take them off because I'm like so careful with this bag. You don't have to be, obviously, but you know, new bag feelings. So the way you open this is basically, you know, it's this little clasp that you open, and then you just open the bag. This is the bag opened, and then of course you can flip this down a little bit again, and you have two compartments. Let me take all these little bits and pieces out. I might keep them just to keep the bag stuffed. It's a very structured bag, so you should not worry about, you know, it losing its structure or anything. Here we can see we got the little shoulder strap. I'm gonna show you modeling shots in a second as well. And wow, okay, can we see that? This is an interesting little hook mechanism. Okay, and let me come a little bit closer to you. Then I can show you the interior. So it's the same beautiful leather everywhere. You got one zipper compartment at the back. I don't know if we can see that. There it says Salvatore Ferragamo. This bag was made in Florence, and then you have two compartments. I can't wait to see what fits in here. I will definitely, you know, do a follow-up video. Of course, you'll be able to see fingerprints on the bag, you know, just need to clean that from time to time. That's just my fingerprint on there. But yeah, so here on the inner clasp it says made in Italy. And yeah, guys, that is the beautiful, beautiful bag. And let me tell you, when I saw the stitching on this, I hope I will be able to get a good close-up. Can we see how beautifully this bag is stitched? Like, guys, let's be honest. This is how Chanel bags in the 90s were stitched. When I look at my vintage Chanel bag from 1990, the stitches were so tight together. You had like 11, 12 stitches per diamond quilt. And you know, you don't see that anymore nowadays, obviously. So it's really nice to see that Salvatore Ferragamo is doing such a beautiful job when it comes to the stitching. And yeah, here we go. So, I mean, you know, we are bag nerds, all of us, we get it. When I talk about how beautiful the stitching on a bag is. So, yeah, let me give you some modeling shots quickly. So, this is the beautiful bag. And you know, I can't wait to wear it with my black dresses, my black jumpsuits, and you know, it is so timeless. You can wear it on the crook of your arm. There's a lot of space. The handle is quite, well, tall, right? Can we see that? So you can easily just wear it like a Kelly, you know? Absolutely stunning. Oh, by the way, the bag comes with 4 feet, and you can wear it as a top handle. And of course, let me quickly attach this one. And I mean, shiny box calf is just my absolute favorite leather. If I would ever get a Kelly, an MS Kelly, it would be like in shiny box calf as well. Probably raisin or just noir. Well, actually guys, it literally just took me 2 minutes to figure out how to use the strap. Let me show you. So I was like, hey, how is it gonna work? I don't know, and they haven't shown me in the boutique. Like, how do you attach it? I don't know if we can get a good close-up. So you know, there's nothing you can press or anything. So I was like, how am I gonna attach it? You need to really like pull back this golden piece. Can you see? Then it opens up. We figured it out. Okay, this is the bag with the shoulder strap attached. I think it is comparable to the Lady Dior, the original shoulder strap that wasn't adjustable. And you can see the shoulder strap is also just one length, but of course, you know, nothing is going to stop you from attaching a different shoulder strap. So on your shoulder it sits like this. I think I would wear it like this. I'm not even going to try to wear it crossbody. I think it would sit too high due to the handle. But yeah. I mean, how gorgeous is this? Okay guys, so that was our little Salvatore Ferragamo unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, we do. And I see you again very, very soon. Bye guys!